Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you Bailey Jin Among Mortals, short, chapter 198, 5.2. Bailey, please stop talking. Daima said to her, what happened here 3,000 years ago? And let us ask classmates to answer. Right now, one of the classmates is Bailey Jin. Who should Colby to answer? Bailey Jin seems to be busy on something today in tuition. Right now, she get called. Bailey Jin, you come and answer. Looking at Bailey Jin, seems to be surprised by the sudden call. What's the answer? Oh, even if you don't listen in the class, you'll draw pictures in history class, monitor, collect her notebook, and throw it away. Right now, it seems that Muxi, after class, Bailey classmates, your notebook, monitor, I will definitely listen very carefully in the future. Well, okay, but here, after that, what is this painting? It seems that Bailey Jin is kissing Muxi and she's drawing on her notebook. Well, it makes sense. That's it. You and I are kissing. Sorry, my fainting is not good enough. Classmate Viley, please stop talking. You asked me, Viley Jin said to her. Well guys, this is a short story. Viley Jin is not updating today. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!